Alright, hello and welcome to another video on Shopify Foundation certification. And in today's video, I'm gonna make a quick recap over the thing that I have learned so far for the first section or the first model here. So when I take a look at the academy here, especially for the certification of Shopify here, so Shopify Foundation certification, like this. So we have 8 cores. So we have 8 cores. And recently I'm focusing on the foundations Shopify 101. So inside of this, we have several topics. So we talk about Shopify, merchants and understanding your audience, Shopify ecosystem and growing as a partner, the platform, money, POS, and support, as well as the community. So right now, I'm looking at the About Shopify. So this is when they tell you, so what is Shopify, this top e-commerce leading in that industry that helps users to start an idea, uh, turn that into a business, run it, and start selling on the internet. So they also show you, for example, what is Shopify, how Shopify works in a video, as well as that after all, they focus on the commerce operations, product management, inventory, payment processors, as well as shipping. And also some motivational videos about with Shopify you can create the lifestyles you want to, and uh, inspiration and motivation, meaning that look at how these two women, sisters in India, they have an idea, turn that into a business, and launch that. So in 2016, now they have this massive impact in their community as well as the city nearby. So they employ a lot of other women and men uh, to tailor it specific clothes in India. So the whole point of that is to Shopify is telling you, uh, so the copywriter creators of this model, they tell you how you can create a narrative, how you can talk to yourself, especially with Shopify. So it all starts with, uh, yeah, what is Shopify, uh, how Shopify works, with the lifestyle that you can build around Shopify, as well as inspirational video. And also for the that was for the emotional part. For the logical or the analytics, statistics, they show that Shopify in US and India demographics, it has the largest user base, about 57.9%, if I say that correct. It's 56.8%, uh, and it is close competitor WooCommerce around 9.9%. And also they are environmental friendly because they have a sustainability fund, and that gives the justification uh, to now look at the Shopify ecosystem again to understand what is Shopify. So we have two key players, the merchants, that they are everything for Shopify, because after all, there are people that want to start a business, run it, and sell to others on the internet across the world, whatever they happen to be, those customers. And because these merchants can sell in multiple places, so like online with online stores, mobile, uh, yeah, yes, online store, mobile, uh, different social media channels, uh, a marketplace, okay, like Google or like Google or Amazon, and also Alibaba is another. But Shopify hasn't aligned or hasn't created this alliance with uh, Alibaba because it is a close competitor and they don't want it. Not right now. But that's what those are the places where merchants can sell. So you have is the online store, digital marketplace, so Google or Amazon, as well as the mobile and custom channels or social media channels, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or in person, so brick and mortar locations, uh, events and festivals, and pop up store. So because Shopify allow merchants to sell and to get a yeah, allows to merchants to sell the things that those merchants sells vary quite a bit, meaning that it can be from subscriptions or memberships to products, whether it's digital or physical, as well as classes and lessons. So to also look at some of this testimonial or these top players in that particular area of the Shopify ecosystem, the merchants, well, you have Allbirds, which is this footwear company that focuses on natural materials and sustainability, as well as Cheekbone, Cheekbone Beauty, okay, founded by an indigenous uh, woman named uh, named Jennifer Harper, where this is a cosmetic company that's focused on create products, create cosmetic products, vegans and cruelty free. Uh, so despite this, okay, this is the merchants. And then I look at the partners and how these are key collaborators because partners not only provide a set of tools that help merchants, but also if you're a Shopify partner, you can have access to these professional networks that, based on your specialty and your goals, you can align down the line with. So, because of that, in Shopify, the way how merchants in Shopify, mer- the way how partners in Shopify, merchants interact is based on uh, the service and products and features they provide merchants, partners to merchants. Okay, so it can be building and selling online things, building and selling apps, developing stores and set up stores, or offering additional service to growth. So because of this, Shopify partners can be now break down into product partnerships and growth partnerships. So this product partnerships, after all, uh, you have foundational partnership, which focuses on the core technologies and provides Shopify's support for the core platforms. So in the OS for the applications and service. So, for example, which OS they should go to build their entire Shopify platform, Linux or Mac, or which administration tool they should use to monitor the CPU and RAM or any of these resource consumptions in the bare bone metal. For example, Grafana, right? or which web server they can use. Or, for example, Node reading in JavaScript, or some Ruby server. Perhaps they can go with Laravel reading in PHP. Which servers they can use and run to harness the full power of multiple CPU cores. So, for example, they can create multiple clusters or using workers for that. Uh, if they want to create multiple instances, they can go with Docker. So this is just to describe briefly what are the couple tasks that the foundational products partnership offers and take care. And then you have the ecosystem uh, product partnerships. These are developers or partners that build all-in-one solution that meet many merchants' needs. Okay, product partnership, after all of them do that, right? They build one size fit all products that meet many merchants' needs. Uh, but they are different in their audience, in their target. So foundational focuses on the core Shopify functionality, whereas the ecosystem focuses on the merchants aspect, meaning is building applications or themes, payment processor gateways, or social media integrations that meet many of these merchants' needs. And when Shopify mentioned about this is so when Shopify talk about this product partner, or when Shopify talk about partners, they refers to foundational partners. And when these customer channels and campaigns and programs, they don't reference that. They mention is the ecosystem uh, partners or product partners. And then you have now the growth partner. So this focuses on help the merchants build growth their business, meet their needs, as well as bring more merchants to the platform. So, for example, you have agencies or Shopify experts, affiliates. So the whole point of this is to recognize these two type of collaboration or partners. Okay, and when it comes to the growth partnership, you have the agencies, which they are not freelancers, they are small or large company that serves too many Shopify merchants. So with this huge overview about what is Shopify, okay, then as a partner, okay, we need to understand our audience, which is the merchants. So merchants are all kind of entrepreneurs. And here in Shopify, we have more than 2 million entrepreneurs. And because each one of them sells uh, whatever their customers are, and the things that they sell may vary. So Shopify create this four labels or four categorizations. So you have e-commerce, which are the new kid in the block, and they are they, they so they are at the start of the journey with their business as well as with Shopify, right? And then you have sellers, which represent a large group of merchants in the ecosystem based on their GMV, this gross merchandise value. And they might be a few years around, but the whole point is that they are making connections and building their customer base. So then you have is the established. So these are hold. So these are merchants that are holding their own, and they have been around for a few years, and most of them are self-sustaining. So what they're looking is for tools that help them to grow their business. So unlike, for example, this seller, which most of the time they are just one person that takes to the next level uh, from their side hustle to a full-time job, and they sell online and in persons, and also they uh, they sell online or in persons, and they don't have any workers or any they don't have any employees. So this established is looking to create and grow their businesses and perhaps reach to a level of the mature merchants, which is the other segment of merchants. So you have pre-commerce, sellers, established, and mature. So matures are performing at the highest level of Shopify. So they are large, well-established businesses that they may have several locations, physical locations, and quite a lot of employees, and they are relying on Shopify Plus, which, in contrast with Shopify Plus now target is these large businesses with their complex business need. So that was beautiful, okay? Because now that you understand your audience, okay, which is this. Now that you, as a Shopify partner, understand your audience, you have at least a broad perspective of that, okay, something like this, okay, then it's time to look at how you can grow as a Shopify partner in the Shopify ecosystem. So because of that, well, we first start by looking at that partnerships are the uh, key collaborators in this, because they not only help merchants to thrive in their business, but also are key players to fill the Shopify product gaps. Because after all, Shopify can and doesn't have the ability to be everything for every merchant. So that's where the Shopify partners kicks in. So you can have depend on the merchant's needs, the starter plan, okay, where you can start selling in different sales channels, or the Shopify Plus, where now here this, as I mentioned before, focus is on uh, so this now focus is on the complex business needs, international sales, uh, high order volumes, wholesale relationships, and also new markets or new social media channels. So this distinction, uh, so between Shopify and Shopify Plus, after all of them receive is a basic tool set from Shopify, which is template, uh, tools to start sell in multiple channels, uh, checkout, checkout. This is something important. Checkout, payment processors, and SEO and analytics. So this is the five things that as merchants you get whatever plan you choose to go with. Okay, you have the templates, tools to start selling in multiple location, multiple channels, whether it's physical or digital. Okay, so tools to start selling multiple channels, checkout, payment processors, and SEO and marketing tools. So that's great. That's awesome. And Shopify Plus, especially talking about the Shopify Plus, uh, you have top player here that actually are using this. So, for example, Heinz or Gymshark or GB Hi-Fi, this electronic retail in Australia, GB Hi-Fi. So this is now explaining. So this section is now explaining is that how do partners works with Shopify and Shopify Plus. Okay, so now that you mentioned about what are the things that the Shopify partners uh, do for merchants, especially when it comes to collaborate with them, with the Shopify partners and merchants, and depend on their needs, uh, you can offering is a starter plan or a Shopify Plus. But despite whatever the Shopify plan they can go with, they receive this basic tool set. Templates, tools to start selling in multiple channels, checkout, payment processors, as well as SEO and marketing tools. All right, that's cool. That's great. So, how this Shopify and Shopify Plus uh, merchants work with partners. So, simple merchants often this is the so merchants will often hire a partner to develop things like the online to develop things like themes or build applications and build online stores. But now with Shopify Plus merchants, so they can go even further to that, and they need a partner that might be a specialist in that particular area. So, for example, third-party integrations with any other platforms or website features, you know. But that is how they interact with them. Yeah, so this is how they interact with them. Okay, so how they interact with it. We also look at the Shopify partner missions and value. The whole point is to meet and exceed the merchant expectation, and this is something that can go to anyone. Okay, when you provide additional value, all right, uh, the clients, or in this case, the merchants will appreciate it. Of course, not all of them, not all of them, not all of them, but it doesn't matter. But why do merchants use Shopify? So this is the reason why the merchants use Shopify for their stability and trust, high return of investment, easy to use, scalability, innovation, flexibility, and impact and value. So the stability and trust is because they don't have to deal with their the underlying technology. You know, they don't have to deal with the underlying technology and the growth tools for doing that. So stability and trust. They delegate all of that to Shopify so they can focus is on their business. So stability and trust. The other is high return on investment because the ecosystem is transparent and merchants get a lot of for their money. The other is easy to use. So it's pretty straightforward this, especially for merchants that don't hold any technical background. Okay, so they are not tech savvy. Scalability, all right. Um, yeah, scalability. Uh, really, scalability because again, since they delegating is all of this to Shopify, things like scale to multiple clients or scale your applications to multiple servers that they can hold the traffic, okay, uh, based on holidays or normal days. So they choose that also for scalability, innovation. So this platform is recently now incorporating and actually always evolving uh, tools like Remix, which are a new way to build a web server that is aligned with a lot of these web trends, okay, web development trends. So Remix is built on React as a way to provide a web development experience capabilities. Okay, so you have that scalability, innovations, flexibility. This is not that, the flexibility here is if you truly are flexible, you might take your application out of the Shopify and build that in any other platform. It'll be platform agnostic. But the reality is that your store is in Shopify. If you want to migrate that to someone else, uh, you better hire a product partner. You better hire them. And the other is impact and value. So this is the reason why Shopify use Shop. Jesus, this is why merchants use Shopify. Okay, due there is uh, stability and trust. Okay, so stability and trust, high return of investment, easy to use, flexible, scalability, innovation, and impact and values. So here we're going to cover is the Shopify Partner Program. Okay, the Shopify Partner Program is a free to join and lets you experiment with the Shopify platform through unlimited development store. So this Shopify Partner Program, okay, eh, so the Shopify Partner, 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 yeah, the Shopify Partner Program, exact. So the Shopify Partner, yep. So the Shopify Partner Program allow a partner to freely use the Shopify platform. Exactly. The Shopify platform, something that I have experienced, okay? The Shopify partner programs, so all so all so all partners so all partners can freely use the Shopify platform or this program, just to the price in this program, okay, the Shopify partner programs. And when they talk about here, they make when Shopify describe is partners in the program or support channels or marketing campaigns. So they mention is the ecosystem product partnerships. So these programs allow partners to free, okay, or this program is free and lets you exactly. So this program is free and lets you experiment the Shopify platform. Okay, the Shopify platform through unlimited development store. Through exactly so through unlimited development store, okay, which are free Shopify store, exactly, through unlimited development store, which are free, which are free Shopify, which are free Shopify stores. You can use as a template to build and develop your client store. So which exactly, so which are free Shopify store that you can use to develop. You can use as a template. Or you can use as a template to develop. mhm, you can use as a template to build and develop the client's store and act as a developer environment, exactly, and act as a development en- environment test and act as a test development environment environment mhm, for your themes or apps, for your themes and apps. And that's exactly what I experienced, by the way. So the Shopify Partner programs, okay, uh, this program is a free and lets you experiment with the Shopify platform through unlimited amount of development store, which is a concept here, with development store, which are free Shopify stores, okay, which are free Shopify store that you can use as a template to build and develop client stores and act as a test development environment for your themes and apps. This is the entire test, okay, for your themes and apps. Okay, that is all about this Shopify program. Okay, it let you, it is free, and it lets you experiment the Shopify platform through unlimited development stores that through unlimited development stores. Okay, so this Shopify programs is free and lets you experiment the Shopify platform with an unlimited development stores uh, that help, with an unlimited development stores, which are okay, which are with an unlimited development stores, which are free Shopify stores that help you to build and develop a client store and act as a test environment development and act as a test development environment uh, for your things and application. And this is something that I experience with. So now I'm putting words to what I have done, basically. So this is the Shopify partner program. So this is all about this Shopify partner program. All right. Okay. That's cool. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. So yeah, it's actually free. I signed up for free. Okay. So this Shopify partner program, okay, is uh, is like that. Uh, mhm. Yeah, it's like that. So I access to this program for free to experiment and experience the Shopify platform by creating by creating unlimited development stores, which are Shopify stores that help you, which are Shopify stores that you can use as a template to build and develop client store. But that's the whole point of access to this free new world as a developer or as a Shopify partner. Okay, again, as an ecosystem program partner. All right, as an ecosystem. That's right. That's right. As an ecosystem product partner. All right, things are starting to fall in. Things started to make sense. So this is the Shopify program. So the Shopify program, after all, is that. So they allow you to access it for free to experiment the Shopify platform by developing an unlimited amount of stores, development stores, which which are Shopify stores that you can use as a template to build and develop online themes or applications for your client, okay, that act as a client store and also as a test environment or as a test development environment for your themes and applications. But just to make this much more concise, is Shopify partner programs are free to access, so they can let you experiment the Shopify platforms by creating an unlimited development stores which act as a Shopify stores that you can use as a template for your client store and act as a test developing environment for your online store or for your themes and applications. So this is the entire definition of the Shopify partner programs. And I want to use this specific word because I don't want to repeat myself. Also following is the programming concept. One of the programming concepts. Don't repeat yourself. Try. Okay, so this is the Shopify partner programs. Okay, and as a Shopify partner, you can also have access to training course, in-depth documentation, and other resources that will help you to learn about Shopify and grow your own business. Again, because this is part of the program, they reference here is to the ecosystem product partners. Other benefits include early access to new features, marketing materials, and connections to a community of other Shopify partners around the world. As a Shopify partner, you can enroll in one or many aspects of the program. Depending on your area or of specialization, the tools and research you require are the type of merchants you prefer to work with. But after all, this is the Shopify partner program. Okay, uh, and they also allow you to, and they also give you a training course. So, for example, like this. Hello, here we are. In-depth documentation, especially for the developers, and other resources that will help you to learn about Shopify and grow your own business. Other benefits include early access to new features and that kind of thing. But the whole point of this Shopify partner is that these programs allow you to, is free to use, so you can experiment in the Shopify platforms by developing or by creating unlimited development stores, which act as a Shopify store that you can use as a template for your client store and act as a test development environment for your applications and themes. And you can also have access to their how do you call it training courses and documentations and advanced resource. So then I look at how do Shopify partners earn money. Glad you asked. Glad you F. Glad you French toast asked me. Of course. So how do Shopify partners earn money? The meaning is, well, how they get a value based on the value they're providing. So building relationship and trust with merchants will ideally lead to repeated business and ongoing earnings. Yep, TLDR is that. Building relationship and trust, which is this. So building relation relationships and trust uh, with merchants will ideally lead to exactly will ideally not necessarily, but building relationship and trust with merchants will ideally lead to repeated businesses, right? Repeated business and ongoing earnings. Okay, and ongoing earnings. There are some of the ways you can earn revenue as a Shopify partner. Developer. Okay, there are some of the ways you can earn revenue as a Shopify partner. Okay, there are some of the way. Mhm. There's some of the ways. There are some of the ways you can earn revenue. So some of the way or these because it's exactly it's like what these are some of the ways. These are some of the ways you can earn. Yeah, these are some of the ways you can earn revenue. Exactly. These are some of the ways you can earn revenue as a Shopify partner. Please. Development store referral. Development store referral. Okay. Shopify Plus referrals and upgrade. Shopify Shopify Plus. Okay. Shopify Plus uh, referrals. Referrals. Okay. So Shopify Plus referrals and upgrades. Mhm. Development store referral. Okay, so you help a merchants to develop and set up a store. Development store referrals. Shopify Plus. This is now when you target this large, well-established businesses. Referrals or upgrades. Create e-commerce themes and publish them in the Shopify theme store. So this is another one. Create e-commerce. mhm, Create e-commerce themes, right? So create e-commerce themes and publish them in the yeah. So create e-commerce theme and publish them in the Shopify theme app, the Shopify theme store. Exactly. So create e-commerce themes and publish them in the Shopify theme store. Okay. Something that I'm quite familiar with this process because I help these clients to actually modify some of the themes and that kind of thing. Okay. Uh, so create e-commerce themes and publish in the Shopify theme store. Create third-party apps. Mhm. create third, create third, Jesus, third, oh my God, create third, how the fuck do you write it? Third, it's weird. Really? Third, create third party apps. Excited. Create third party apps, channels, and payment gateway. Channels, okay? Channels and payment gateways. Okay, create third party apps, channels, and payment gateways. And publish them in the Shopify App Store. So this is what I have experienced here. I have experience with this, with create e-commerce themes, especially to update a e-commerce theme and publish them into the Shopify theme store. The other that I have experienced is that help a client by upgrade their third-party app, channel, and payment gateways and publish them in the Shopify App Store. Interesting. Offering service through Shopify Partner Directory. This is more like the growth for the growth. This kind of earning method is from growth partnership. Okay, which is offering service through Shopify Partner Directory. Offering services. Okay, through offering services through Shopify Partner Directory. Promotions including point of sale pro referrals bounty. Interesting. Promotions, okay, including point of sales pro referrals bounty, including point of sales pro referrals bounty, pro referral bounty, and point of sale, Shopify, and point of sale. So promotions including point of sales, pro referrals bounty, okay, pro referrals bounty, and point of sales Shopify payment incentive, and point of sale Shopify payment incentive. Oh my God! All right. use our platform. You're going to receive an incentive, aka a discount, or refer this bounty. Mm, mm. Again, because this is not talking about is for the Shopify partners. So this entire course or the program is for Shopify partners. Okay, is to understand how you're able to collaborate with merchants. I get it. I definitely get it. All right. Okay. All right. Holy moly. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Oh shit. All right. So okay. So this is the point of view from from the Shopify partners. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because after all, yeah. Okay. So earnings. Shopify partners can earn money from their contributions to the Shopify ecosystem activities. This is earning. Okay, Shopify partners can earn money from their contributions to the Shopify ecosystem activities and the partner program they join in. Earning may vary based on their locations and the location of the merchant they work with. So this is a geographic so this is the zip code they put on me. Mhm. Jesus. So earning may vary based on their locations and the location of the merchant they work with. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Because well, after all, they okay. Hmm. Hmm. All right. All right. Earnings. So Shopify partners can earn money from their contributions to the Shopify ecosystem, the activities, and the partner program they join. So through their activities, was how the yeah through their Shopify ecosystem activities and the partner program they join. Two way to earn money here. Earnings. Some of the service partner offer to merchants include design and building product, creating brands, setting up store both e-commerce and retail, launching, managing, and scaling business, increase sales and revenue, system integration, revenue share, and this is join the Shopify Partner Program, something that I quite familiar, so there is no need for that. I'm actually quite experienced. You can join the Shopify Partner Program by registering through the Shopify Partner website. When you have registered, you have access to the customized dashboard with the information tools you need to get started. And the other is next up, the Shopify Plus Partner. This is where you can have access to this. How to become a Shopify Plus Partner? Okay, application. Those interested in the program can submit the Shopify Plus program application. Exactly. The Shopify Plus program application. you know? Exactly. Exactly. Because this is not for everyone. This is not for everyone. And then you have the affiliate program. This is for the growth aspect. And how to join the Shopify affiliate programs here. Okay. Okay. So earnings, 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 right? And how do Shopify partners earn money? Okay. So quick recap here. The Shopify ecosystem and growing as a partner is the section 3 of the Shopify 101. When they talk about is yes, merchants after all are everything for Shopify, and partners are key collaborator because it not only help these merchants to strive in their business, but also helps to fill some gap in the Shopify platform because Shopify can have and can Shopify can satisfy or there's a word that I love that they use here. So Shopify can so Shopify can have the ability or it doesn't have the capacity. I like that word. So Shopify doesn't have again recap this. So Shopify ecosystem and growing as a partner. Here is when Shopify tells you that yes, merchants are everything for Shopify, whereas Shopify partners are key collaborators to help merchants to thrive in their business, but also to fill some of the Shopify gaps because can have Shopify can have the capacity, because Shopify doesn't have the capacity to meet every merchant needs. Shopify doesn't have the capacity to be everything for every merchant. So because of that, Shopify partners are crucial, are key collaborators with them, because they don't only, okay, because they don't they don't they don't they don't only help uh, to improve the Shopify applications, or to collaborate with the Shopify platforms, but also to help merchants to strive in their business. So depend of your uh, depending on the merchant's needs, you can go with the uh, Shopify starter plan, okay, that it allows you to start sell in social media channels, or with the Shopify Plus, especially for well-established large businesses that have complex business system, international sales, large volume or high order volumes, wholesale relationships, uh, and selling new social media channels. So despite this kind of merchants, okay, Shopify provides for all of them the same tool set, which is templates, tool to start sell in multiple locations or sell channels, payment processors, checkout, and SEO and marketing tools. So the way how these partners work with merchants is, first, merchants hire these partners to help them build online themes or applications, uh, developing or set up a store, all right? And Shopify Plus partners, they take a step further, and they require for the Shopify Plus partners is to help to meet certain specific needs. Let's say they want to integrate a particular website, so website embedding components, or integrate with third-party services, okay, another payment processors or another e-commerce platform, that kind of things. Uh, so that's something interesting in beauty. So despite this, okay, the Shopify Partner program allow you to access to this. So the Shopify Partner program, as a person, as a user, allows you to freely access and experiment the Shopify platform, right? And yeah, allow you to experiment the Shopify platform by creating an unlimited amount of stores, which are Shopify stores that you can use as a template to help, or that can use as a template for your client stores, and as a test environment, or as a test developing environments for your themes and applications. So this definition is something important, because from there you can ask yourself, it's like, okay, what are the things here with the Shopify partners, uh, which is something that I'm quite familiar, I can do, right? As I mentioned, this Shopify program, uh, the Shopify partner programs allow you to access and experiment for free the Shopify platform by creating unlimited development stores, that which are Shopify stores that you can use as a template that you can use as a template for your client store and act as a test development environment for your themes and applications. Something that I have experienced. So once you know this, the next question is, okay, so how can I get money from this? How a Shopify partner earn money? Okay, so uh, building a relationships and trust with merchants will ideally to repeat business and ongoing earnings. In other words, by focusing on over delivering in value, uh, you can repeat business and have this recurring cash flow, which is the thing that we're all seeking for. Okay, all right. Yep, yep. Mm-hmm. Sorry. So yeah. So how do Shopify partners earn money? Remember that building trust, building relationship and trust is ideally one way to build repeated businesses. Okay, and ongoing earnings, meaning you have recurring cash flow. And these are some of the ways you can earn revenue in the Shopify partners. So development, store, referrals, Shopify Plus referrals and upgrades, creating e-commerce themes, and publish them in the Shopify theme app, creating third-party applications, app exactly create third-party apps, channels. I am quite familiar with this. Create third-party apps, channels, and payment processors. Okay, perhaps I can focus this in this niche. Okay, so create third-party apps, channels, and payment processors. Mhm. And publish them in the Shopify app store. I think that will be my initial niche. Okay, yeah, I think that will be my initial niche, like this. Um, Payment gateways in Shopify app theme, Shopify app store. Mm-hmm. 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 WeChat as well. Holy hell, man. For example, WeChat, China. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I'm looking for the store, man. Payment apps. Mm-hmm. How payment apps works. Mm-hmm. Idempotency, idempotency, retrieve policy, mutual TLS, hack, exactly, verification, rate limiting, API versioning, 3D secure, GDPR, payment app extension configurations like this, payment app process. Applies to become a payment partner. Okay. Shopify granted access if approved. Create an app in the partner dashboard. Payment app extension review. hmm Payment partners application review. The partners apply to become a payment partner. Partners should take time to review the additional terms applicable to payment developers. Section of the Shopify Partner Program Agreement. If you aren't a Shopify partner yet, then you must sign to be a partner. We grant a partner access to build a payment app. We grant we grant the partner access to build a payment app. If you have been approved to be a payment partner, then you will be granted access to Shopify payment ecosystem. You will need to sign a revenue share agreement, which will provide an email when you are approved. The partner create a new app in the partner Shopify. hmm Payment app extension review. And this is the workflow when it comes to build this. And payment app review. hmm Okay, interesting. So this is the payment. hmm So payment and channels. Payments and channels. So for example, app, channels, Shopify app. Building Shopify channels. Exactly. hmm Merchants click to install. Merchants complete OAuth. App presents eligibility requirement TOS. App presents accounts connection. App provides a pop-up outside of the ESC Shopify Polaris for channel authentication. App presents accounts component connection. Account connection component. More onboarding step. Yes. Merchants complete onboarding step. No. Approval, yes. App presents pending feedback. No. App presents success feedback. App presents charge. Product publishing in order management. Onboarding and account connection. hmm Sales app requirement. hmm Sales app requirement. And the other is marketing. Point of sale. And then you got blockchain here. Build for blockchain enabled commerce. Crypto payment. Gates GraphQL API. Blockchain components. hmm Gate configuration. And blockchain components. Blockchain components are in early access and may be unstable, potentially requiring frequent versions upgrade. Please report any feedback. Beta Connect Wallet Token Gate. Gate Context Client Library on NPN. Mm-hmm. Principle customizable, native, accessibility, reliable, flexible. Mm-hmm. Interesting. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. use Remix for that. Hmm. Remix example. Next, yes. Read example. Remix. Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. The blockchain component. Interesting. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. Okay, okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, okay. With that huge overview of this, okay, based on the ways how Shopify partners earn money is through development store referrals, Shopify Plus referrals, or upgrades, creating an e-commerce themes, and then publish that on Shopify theme store, or creating a third-party apps payment, creating a third-party app uh, channel and payment gateways, and publish them in the Shopify app store, offering service through Shopify Partner Directory, meaning this is for growing. Okay, so focus is on help meet the merchant needs and grow their business, right? So offering service through Shopify Partner Directory, or AKA growing, and the other is promotions. Promotions including POS, pro referrals, bounty, and POS Shopify payment incentives. So when you talk about here the promotions, like POS, pro referrals, bounty, what in the F this mean, right? Ah, okay. Okay. Shopify POS retail partnership. Mhm. Earn revenue in new ways with Shopify POS. Offer solutions that span in store and online to differentiate your business and unlock new avenues for growth. So increase your service offering. Complete store migration, design branding beyond the web, full service marketing, omni-channel business strategy, and that kind of thing. Build apps for Shopify POS. Explore a new starting point for your next big idea by building apps that integrate seamlessly with Shopify POS. Seize the omni-channel opportunity. Tell us more about your business so we can share the best research and support for getting started with Shopify POS. Shopify POS overview, apps for Shopify POS. But the whole point of this is a win-win referral program. Okay, get a $500 bounty when you refer business to Shopify POS program. Bounty by referrals. Okay, so including POS Pro Referrals Bounty, where you can earn a $500 when you referral business, and this is part of the affiliate programs. So affiliate programs is part of the growth segment of businesses. Interesting. Okay, okay, I get it. I get it. So promotions, including POS Pro Referral Bounty, okay, or POS Shopify Payment Incentive. By incentive here is, um, well, Shopify tips for Shopify POS makes it simple to reward employees. But this is to reward employees. Let me sit because I want to take a sit here. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I want to sit, man. I want to sit. Okay, I want to sit. Okay. Much better. Okay. So unify online and in-person sales today. Tips for Shopify POS make it simple to reward employees for stellar service. Tips for Shopify POS. When he's not dreaming and scheming about retail, he's usually thinking about ice cream. hmm Okay. But is this incentive? Incentive. Ah, customer loyalty. Okay, okay. A loyalty program. Makes sense. Makes sense. So these are the different way of how Shopify partners earn money. Okay. So recognize that building relationship and trust will lead you or will likely to lead to repeat business and ongoing earnings, meaning you have cash flow, right? There's some ways of you can do in Shopify as a partner. So first, the development store referrals or as a Shopify Plus partner referrals uh, or upgrades. Okay, so creating an e-commerce store. Yeah, so creating an e-commerce themes and then publish that in the Shopify theme store or creating third-party apps or sales or creating third-party apps, channels, and payment gateways. All right. So creating this third-party apps, uh, payment gateways, third-party apps, payment gateways, or channels, and then publish them in the Shopify app store, offerings, offering service through Shopify Partner Directory or offerings growth service through the Shopify Partner Directory or promotions. So including is the POS. So or promotions, including in the POS Pro Referral Bounty. The POS Pro Referral Bounty or the POS Shopify Payment Incentive, such as, so this can be summarized as bounties by referrals, POS bounty referrals, or POS Shopify payment incentive, meaning is loyalty programs. Okay, okay. So this is the six ways of how you can earn money according to uh yeah, according to them, right? According to them. Oops, did I close it? Did I close the Shopify? I think I did. I think I did. Man, what the hell? Yeah, I did. Anyway. Uh, so good. Let's go here. Mm-hmm. If I hit the ecosystem and growing as a partner. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Da, 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 da. That's right. And here we are. How Shopify Partner earn money and the earnings here. So Shopify can earn money from their contribution and the partner program they join here. So there are two sources of income. There are two stream revenue here. So Shopify has two stream of revenue. So Shopify Partners has two stream of revenue based on mhm, based on the contribution to Shopify ecosystem, based on uh, based on their activities, based on their activities. Okay, so based on their activities and the Shopify, the partner program they join, and the partner program they join. So through partnerships or the partner program they join, hmm the partner programs they join, whether it's uh, product partnerships or growth partnership, okay, and earning may vary based on their locations and location of their work, of the merchants they work with. And earnings may vary. This is something that a lot of these companies are actually fixating on this geographical location. Why? Because those countries or states actually impose their own laws. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. Oh, I get it. Yep, I get it. I get it. So earnings. So earnings may vary. Earnings may vary based on the location. Earnings may vary based on their location, on their on earnings may vary based on partner and merchants location. That's one of the reasons why a lot of people are targeting heavily the US, because two-thirds of their economy is based on consumption. And it's like, according to Investopedia, and that was surprisingly, it's like, what the actual F? Okay, okay. That's one of the reasons why China is so relentless. Oh my god. In their doing, it's like, why so China is so F relentless, man. Is so F relentless. I get it, man. I get it. Welcome. Welcome. So Shopify partners like this. Earning may vary based on their location and the location of the merchants they work with. Some of the service partner offered to merchants include designing and building products, creating brand, set up store, both e-commerce and retail, launching, managing, and scaling businesses, increasing sales, and system integration. Mhm. Again, you have to pick a niche, man, because this is some of the service partners offered to merchants. And again, this is for product partnerships, and growth partnerships. So for the growth partnership, it is from increasing sales and revenue, launching, managing, and scaling business, uh, creating brands. Some of the service partner offered to merchants include, okay, some of the service partners offers to merchants include, exactly. Some of the service partner offered to merchants include uh, yeah, designing and building designing and building products, creating brands, okay, creating brands, setting up stores, setting up store, both e-commerce and retail, e-commerce and retail, okay, launch, managing, and scaling business, launch, launching, exactly, launching, managing, and scaling businesses, businesses, increasing sales and revenue, and system integration. So this service, including here what they talk about, uh, is what are the service that Shopify partners provide to merchants, whether it's the product partnerships or growth partnerships. They can is offering is designing and building products, creating brands. I think this is something very, very important and powerful. Okay, so designing and building products, creating brands, setting up stores for both e-commerce and retail, uh, increasing sales, of course, so increasing sales and revenue, managing their business, or launching, launching, managing, and scaling businesses, and system integrations. So all of these are part of the same aspect of a partner, whether it's a product partnership or a growth partnership. But this is the service that they can offer. Interesting. So this is the service that they can offer. But this is the service that they can offer. Yeah, but this is the service that they can offer. hmm hmm So I am connecting all the dots here. Something that I'm gonna do after this. And then you have revenue share. Shopify offer revenue shares to partners for referring new merchants and revenue share of referrals and referrals and referrals revenue. Exactly. So that's the common thing in a lot of this business. So affiliate programs, they are exactly the a great way to earn money. Okay. So Shopify offers revenue shares to partners for referring new merchants, upgrading existing ones, or developing and selling Shopify products like apps and themes. Revenue sharing options, benefits, and conditions depend on the method of referrals and the type of work the partner performs. Join the Shopify Partner programs, right? And then you have the Shopify Plus Partner. It is this. So join the Shopify program. Okay, so join the Shopify program like this. This is their link for that. The Shopify partners. You can register to that. Okay, and then I look at the Shopify Plus Partner program. So this is the Shopify Plus Partner program. So program. Okay. The Shopify Plus Partner programs here. Shopify Plus Partner are a network of service and certified app partners that help merchants build, migrate, and grow their business on Shopify Plus, which is an e-commerce that is dedicated to well-established large businesses that have high order and or that have to deal with high orders, volumes, international trades, uh, complex business operations. Yeah, international trade, this large international trades, business complex operations. As I mentioned before, high order volumes, uh, wholesale relationships, selling in new channels, find ways to sell in new channels. So while an agency or app developer can join the Shopify Partner program, the Shopify Plus Partner is an exclusive to trust partner who deliver high quality work and excellent customer service. And this is their niche. And this is their niche. They are dedicated to helping merchants grow and get the most of the Shopify Plus Partner. So service partners are curated for their technical expertise, offering 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 service like business strategy consulting, 3D modeling, and website management. Mhm. So this is also to refine this process. How to become a Shopify Plus partner. To become a Shopify Plus partner, you have to show a level of product quality, service, performance, and support that meets Shopify Plus merchants' needs. In this program, Shopify typically works with the following type of organization: design and development agency, digital marketing agencies, system integrators, and enterprise consulting. Enterprise consulting. More detail about becoming a Shopify Plus partner will be shared in the Shopify Plus partner certification course. But the whole point of this, okay, with this Shopify Plus partner is that, to make a quick recap again, because as I looked, or as I saw about the Shopify partner ecosystem, and how to grow the Shopify ecosystem and how to grow as a Shopify partner, okay, and look that yes, merchants are everything for Shopify, and Shopify partners are key collaborators that fills the gap in the Shopify product and platform, because after all, Shopify doesn't have the capacity to be everything for every merchant. So partners help not only to fill the Shopify gaps, but also to strive their merchants' business success. Okay, so the way how they can do that is by getting a starter plan, or for well-established businesses, they can go with Shopify Plus. So, for example, dealing with high order volumes, international sales, managing large business complex systems operations, uh, which is something that I'm quite familiar. But the thing here is that for this well-established large businesses, that they have specific challenge, for example, high order volumes, international sales, complex business operations, uh, wholesale partnerships, and finding ways to sell in different or new uh, social channels. So despite these two type of merchants, Shopify provides then a basic tool set with templates, tools to start sell in multiple locations or sales channels, payment processors, a checkout, and SEO and marketing tools. So that is something interesting, because the next question is, okay, so how these Shopify merchants, like the how do you call it? So how these merchants, normal merchants or Shopify Plus merchants, uh, how they work with partners. So Shopify partners, they hire this, or Shopify merchants hire this partner for building an online themes and applications, or to set up a developing stores. Whereas this Shopify Plus partners, or these Shopify Plus merchants, hire partners to meet their specific needs. For example, they want to embed it a particular website, or they want to integrate or to create a third-party service that integrate with the platforms. Now, there is another question. It's like, okay, what is then the Shopify Plus or the Shopify Partner? Okay, the Shopify Partner program. So this is now the way that everybody can access, because it's free, to start developing. Or this is, yeah, because once I look at that, once I look at the Shopify Plus, but this different between the Shopify merchants and the Shopify Plus merchants, and how partners interact with them. Then I look at, okay, so what are the things that, what is this Shopify partner about? You know, what is this Shopify partner about? Well, it allows you to easily access and experiment the Shopify platform, to developing an unlimited amount of development stores, which are which are Shopify stores that you can use as a template to which which are stores that you can use as a template for your client's store, and act as a development test environment for your themes and applications. You know, so good. This is just to describe this, right? Uh, and we're gonna see that in a more broad. So we're gonna see that down the road in more detail. But the other is that, okay, so how Shopify partners earn money. So if you are able, so building a relationship and solve the client problems, or in this case the merchant's problems, well, is a way that will lead you to repeated business and ongoing earnings. And there are several ways that you can do that by uh, developing store referrals, or Shopify Plus referrals, creating an e-commerce theme, and then publish that in the Shopify theme store, or to create a third-party app, a channel integrations, or a payment processor, and publish that in the Shopify app store. Also, by allowing business to grow their businesses, meaning is by uh, re- with with the directory program, okay, with the directory, with the Shopify directory program, which is focused on growth, or promotions. So the POS referrals, or the POS Shopify payment incentive, aka these uh, loyalty programs. Also, the way how Shopify earns money is not only based on their activities, but also on the partnership, or the partner they join, the partner program they join. So whether it's a Shopify partner program, or a Shopify Plus partner. So knowing that, okay, um, which is very, very interesting. Uh, the service that you can provide to earn money can be from designing and building products, or creating a brand, increase sales and revenues. Yeah, developing a brand, increase sales and revenue, uh, setting up store, mm, launching, managing and scaling business, and system integrations. Again, here you're combining several aspects, not only a one narrow niche, for example, as a software engineering, no, not at all. Uh, yeah, not only as a software engineer, but you also are combining is different aspect here, different areas, which That's one of the reasons that you have to be a multidimensional jack. You have to be at this multidimensional jack, man. Yep, yep, yep. You start with an specialized. You start with a specific knowledge. Okay, so you start with a specific knowledge, and then you move on to other aspect in your life, or you complement that in your work. Okay, okay, all right, all right, okay, all right. Interesting. So yeah, this the other aspect that you complement you as a software is like that. It's like the designing of building and products, increasing sales and revenues, creating themes, or creating brands, setting stores, whether it's for retail or e-commerce, launching, managing, and scaling businesses, and system integration. Okay, and then he asks you to join to the Shopify. Uh, then he tells you, "Hey, join to the Shopify program here." Okay, join to the Shopify program, and also knowing more about the Shopify Plus partner. Okay, the Shopify Plus partner program. Okay, this is the join the Shopify program. I think this is a join the Shopify partner program. Exactly. Join the Shopify Partner Program, and the other is the Shopify Partner Plus program. These are the elite, man. And there you go. These are the elites. TLDR is that these are the elite. Okay, this is a network of uh, Shopify Plus partner are a network of service and certified app partners that help merchants build, migrate, and grow their business on Shopify Plus. While an agency or app developer can join the Shopify Partner Program, the Shopify Plus Partner Program is exclusive to trust partner who deliver high quality work and excellent customer service. That's the whole point of this, is to delivering high quality work and excellent customer service. They are dedicated to helping merchants grow and get the most of the Shopify Plus partner platform. Service partners are curated for their technical expertise, offering service like business strategy, consulting, 3D modeling, and website management. And this is the niche. This is another niche here. Their technical expertise, offering service like business strategy consulting and 3D modeling and website management. hmm But after all, is that right? So the Shopify Plus partners are a network of service and certified app partners. So Shopify Partner Plus program, okay, is a network. It's a network. It's a network of services. It's a network okay. So the Shopify Partner Pro Plus program is a network of service and certified app partners. hmm Uh, yeah, that help merchants to build, launch, and grow their businesses. Well, Shopify Partner Program. Mhm. So while Shopify Partner Program, while an agency or a freelancer, while an agency like this. So while an agency or an app developer or an app developer can join to the Shopify Partner Program like this, which is in my case. Okay, so while an agency or an app developer can join the Shopify Partner Program, okay, uh, the Shopify Plus Partner, mhm, the Shopify, the Shopify, the Shopify Plus Partner is an exclusive, is exclusive, is exclusive, exactly. So it's exclusive to trust partners, to trust partners. It's because the whole point of this is to recognize that trust is something important. Trust partner who deliver high quality work and excellent customer service. Who deliver high quality work, who deliver high quality work and excellent customer service, which is that. So they are dedicated to helping merchants grow and get the most of the Shopify Plus platform. Service partners are curated for their technical expertise, offering service like business strategy, consulting, 3D modeling, and website management. Mhm. But that's the reason here. Uh, so they're trust partners who deliver high quality work and excellent customer service. So they're dedicated to helping merchants grow and get the most of the Shopify Plus platform, which is different. So they are dedicated to help merchants to get the most of Shopify Plus par platform. Exactly. So service partners are curated for their technical expertise, and this service plus partner or the service partner are curated for their technical expertise, are curated from their technical expertise, offering offering services, offering service like like business business strategy consulting, 3D modeling, 3D modeling, and website management. hmm And the other is how to become a Shopify Plus partner. You have to show a level of product quality, service, performance, and support that meets Shopify Plus merchants' needs. In this program, Shopify typically works with the following type of organizations. After all, you have to show, don't tell. Period. 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 So the Shopify Partner Plus programs is uh, is a network of service and app certified partners that help merchants to build, launch, and grow their businesses. So while agencies and app developers can join to the Shopify Partner programs, Shopify Partner Plus, or the Shopify Plus Partner, mhm, the Shopify Plus Partners is an exclusive, uh, network of partners. It's an exclusive network of trust partners that deliver high quality products and excellent customer service. Two things important here: high quality work and excellent customer service. You know, because we as people, we remember how we remember we remember people by how they make us feel. The customer service is something important here, and the other is the high quality work. Okay, so how well was that done? How well that work was delivered? And this is part of our psychology aspect. So this is part of our psychology aspect, excellent customer service, and the usability, the practicality of that thing. Hmm. Interesting. 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 Yeah, the practicality of those things. Hmm. Yeah, the practicality of those things. Hmm. Interesting. No, I'm here. I'm pondering about that human aspect of this. Yeah, about the human aspect. Yeah, completely about the human aspect of delivering a high quality product. Because after all, you want something like that, especially when you ask to someone to, for example, check out your air conditioning. You actually want that work as expected. You don't want anything else. You don't want dust. You know what? And I don't care. Okay, please deliver a high quality service and provide an excellent customer support. That's the reason why the Shopify Plus partner is an exclusive network of trust partners that are capable of doing that. And by doing this, if you apply that into your life, things will be much more better. Things will be much more better because people are doing the thing that they need to do. Period. Period. Okay. Interest. Interest. Holy shit. Okay. So this is the Shopify Partner Plus program. Okay. Uh, wait, what? Dedicated to helping. Exactly. So the dedicated to helping merchants to get the most out of Shopify Plus. Uh, so yeah, this is after all what the Shopify Partner Plus programs uh, is all about. And the reason why I'm looking at this is because uh, here in this section, we'll be talking about the the Shopify ecosystem and how Shopify partners can grow. Recognize that Shopify doesn't have the capacity to meet everything for every merchant, and that Shopify partners fill that gap not only with the Shopify platform, but as a way to help these merchants to launch, manage, and grow their business. So, by selecting a particular pricing that they can go with, whether it's a starter plan or the Shopify Plus uh, platform, uh, where now the first is focus is on uh, small businesses or pre-commerce sellers, okay, or established uh, merchants. Shopify Plus programs, our focus is on mature merchants, a large, well-established businesses that have several employees, perhaps one or more locations. So they are performing at the high level of Shopify. So this kind of business has particularly challenges like high order volumes or dealing with complex business operations, international sales, wholesale relationships, or finding new ways to sell the products on new social channels. So, despite this, Shopify provides a basic tool set for these merchants: templates, tools to start sell in multiple places, channels, checkout, payment processors, as well as SEO and marketing tools. So, the question is, knowing that, how Shopify partners interact with these merchants? Okay, so well, glad you asked, because with that, Shopify hired one of his partner to help them build themes or applications, set up a store. But for this Shopify Plus merchants, they hire this partner as well, but for very narrow specific or to help them grow their business, whether it's to embed it, web applications onto a e-commerce stores, or to developing third-party service integrations. So despite this, okay, uh, how Shopify partners can do that collaboration is through the the Shopify Partner program, okay, which this is a way of how people can interact for free with the Shopify platform by creating an unlimited developing stores that act as a Shopify stores that you can use as a template for your clients, for your merchants, and act as a test developing environment for your themes and applications. Something that I quite familiar with. Good. Because knowing that, The next question is that how Shopify Plus Partner earn money. So depend of you of creating so trust in solving the merchant's problems will likely lead you to repeated business, having an ongoing in will help you repeated business and an ongoing source of income. So the way you can get earn money is uh, through developing online store referrals, so development store referrals, so Shopify Plus referrals, creating e-commerce themes and publish them in the Shopify theme store, or creating third-party applications, payment processors, uh, channels integrations, and publish them on the Shopify app store. Also help business to grow their business. For example, with the Shopify directory program, or promotions. So with the Shopify POS referral, or the Shopify POS payment incentive, meaning these uh, loyalty programs. All right. Okay. So this is talking about for the Shopify partners, and the other. Now I look at the Shopify Plus program. So uh, this is a service. This is a group of service and certified partners that are focused on helping merchants to build, launch, and grow their business, while app developers or agency can uh, exactly what app developers and agency can uh, have access or can submit and uh, have access to the Shopify partner programs. Important. Uh, the Shopify Plus partners is exclusive to trust partners that are focused on delivering high quality products and an excellent customer service. And this is something important because if you go to a place, okay, let's say a restaurant, and you ask for a simple cup of coffee and a sandwich, okay, and if you get a sandwich that look like, if you get a sandwich that have some hairs on that, or and a bite on that, and the customer service, meaning the people that who attend you, is like is expressing their inner problems towards you, you're likely not going to get in that place. You'll find someone else to go with, and that's the reason why speaking, being the devil advocate here is like, yes. So if you're really motivated into delivering the best pro the best experience, uh, not only with the product but also with an excellent customer support as much as possible, as much as human possible. Well, now my friend, welcome to the Shopify Plus program. Okay, and well, this is dedicated to help merchants to get out of the most from Shopify Plus platforms and service that Shopify Plus partner can offer include is business strategy consulting, 3D modeling, and website management. So this is interesting this is very, very interesting because there is another question. It's like, how do I, how to become a Shopify Plus partner, which is this. It's like how to become, how to become a Shopify Plus partner. Okay, valid question. Glad you asked. Okay, uh, you need to deliver. So you need to deliver a quality top quality product and focus on over delivery in value. That's basically it is, right? And focus on over delivering value. So okay, all right, okay. Uh, all right, okay, cool. So in this program, Shopify typically works with the following type of organization. So in this program, Shopify typically works with this type of agencies or organizations. And this is something because this will start to give you some sense about that. You know, this will start to give you some sense about it. So design and developing agencies. So design and development agencies. Okay. Digital marketing agencies. Digital marketing agencies. hmm Digital marketing agencies. System integrators, and enterprise consulting. An enterprise consultant. So why they're doing that? Because they want to get the most from each one of those expertise. Design and developing agency, digital marketing agency, system integrators, and enterprise consultant. More details about becoming a Shopify Plus partner will be shared in the Shopify Plus partner certification course. And then you have the affiliate program. So members of the Shopify affiliate programs are entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators. Okay, and then you have is this the affiliate program. This is another programs. Okay, here we're looking is at the different programs. Okay, so join the Shopify Partner program, Shopify Partner Plus program. Uh, this is it exactly, and then the Shopify affiliate program. You know what it means? Like okay, Shopify affiliate program. Again, remember that after all, Shopify partners are categorized in product partners and growth partners. And this is part of them, the growth partner, the affiliate program, Shopify affiliate program. Member of the Shopify affiliate programs, okay, so Shopify affiliate programs are entrepreneurs, Okay, are entrepreneurs, educators, educators, influencers, and content creators who teach their audience about entrepreneurship with Shopify, who teach their audience who teach their audience about entrepreneurship with Shopify. Exactly. Also include or also include also included are people who refer entrepreneurs to Shopify. So the program is free to join and enables its participants to monetize their audience and earn commission from each new Shopify merchant's referral. Affiliates can earn a commission for each user who signs up for a paid plan with their unique affiliate tracking link. So, if you believe in the project, in the program, right? Mm, Partner program, Shopify Plus partner, affiliate program. Exactly. This is all about their programs here. Mhm. Introduction to cross-border selling, partner and merchants. And this is new. Foundation, introduction to POS and retail. And I think this is very, very important to know. Uh, Foundation, introduction to Shopify Plus. Uh, mhm. Okay, foundation of the Shopify Plus. Foundation, introduction to working with merchants. Foundation, introduction to marketing. Please. Introduction to Shopify and Data and Analytic 101. Foundation, introduction to product development opportunities. Okay, so things starting to make sense here. Okay, so things starting to make a lot of sense here. Okay, okay. Oh shit. Okay. So just to wrap this up, okay? Yeah. Okay, okay. All right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just want just to wrap this. Okay. Interesting. Very, 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 very interesting, by the way. Okay. Very, very, very interesting. Uh, so yeah. Okay. So, mhm. Very, very, very interesting. Okay. Yes, like very, very, very interesting that way. Yep, yep. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Mm. Mm. The Shopify affiliate programs are entrepreneur educators, influencer, and content creator who teach their audience about entrepreneurship with Shopify. Okay, the program is free to join. Okay, so the program is free to join. Okay, the program is free to join and enables its participants to monetize and enables participants to monetize their audience and earn commission from each new Shopify merchant's referral. So they're gonna monetize their audience. They're gonna monetize their audience. They're gonna enables participants to monetize their audience and earn commission, and earn commissions from each and earn commissions from each new Shopify merchant, from each new Shopify merchant referral. Affiliate can earn a commission for each user who sign up for a paid plan with a unique affiliate tracking link. So they don't only get a commission for each new Shopify merchant they refer, but also for those who, for each user who sign up for a paid plan. From each Shopify merchant referrals, and each okay each Shopify merchant referrals that log in, that pay for a plan. Exactly. Who sign who sign for any, or who sign up for a pay plan, who sign up for a pay plan, who sign up for a pay plan with their unique affiliate link, with their unique affiliate tracking link, because that's the whole point of this. So how to join the Shopify affiliate program? Okay, how to own and run an active website? How to join the Shopify affiliate program? How to join the Shopify affiliate program? Because the vast majority of those people, I'm assuming they're doing the cheap thing. They're doing it cheap, and they have to be. mm, They're doing it cheap, and they are not getting. They're not part of the application. Apply to become a Shopify affiliate. Earn commission by referring new established merchants to build their business in Shopify store. Please note, applications are generally reviewed within 3 business days. But how to join the Shopify affiliate programs? Applicants for affiliate programs should meet the following requirements. Applicants, come on, for real? Pero que no. A ver, base. ¡Ay, qué fetiche! Come on, man. Enough. Enough. Jesus. What's the freaking format here? The freaking format here, man. The freaking format here. You son of a bitch. Enough. Enough. Is this? Exactly. Period. No, you sick fuck. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Enough, man. Enough. 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 Oh, what the hell is going? Oh my god. Enough, man. Enough. Enough. What the hell wrong with you? Jesus, is this for fucking real? All right. Jesus. That- Okay. No. The hell is this, man? Okay. Peter. So how to join the Shopify affiliate programs? Affiliates or applicants, in this case, applicants for the affiliate programs. So applicants for the affiliate program must should meet. Okay, should meet the following requirements. Should meet the following requirements. So you got to own and run an active website. Own and run an active website. That's what happened with a lot of people. Actually, they're not doing that. You do whatever you want, man. Yep. Own and run an active website. Have an established audience. Have an established audience. Create original content. Create original content, whether it's a course, blog post, etc. Courses, blog posts, etc. Have experience with commerce. Have experience with e-commerce. Have experience with commerce, Shopify, or other e-commerce platform, or other e-commerce platform. Have read the Shopify affiliate program terms and conditions. Have read the following programs, terms, and conditions. The Shopify affiliate marketing program terms and conditions. Have read the following Shopify affiliate Shopify marketing Shopify affiliate marketing program terms and conditions. Interesting. So with that, that'll be all for this video. Take care. Bye bye.